GeForce RTX series. Right now I can show you only like that because it's literally heavy, literally uncomfy to wave it over, and you're afraid to damage it, of course. It's really big one and heavy, with a 4 fans, with a cool designed cooling system. You see here very clearly that ASUS Corporation invested enough money to make it like that. Better than the competition. It's better than the Zotac of Aorus from Gigabyte, or Palit, or just a simple NVIDIA. There are the ports, HDMI, 2 of them, 3 display ports. Are there 3? Let's see. Display, yeah, 3 display ports, 2 HDMIs. At the moment it's sticked in with a cable clip, but it's a goddamn spaceship. Astral. The guy who advised me to take this one, he was surely right, and I'm not even regret, not a cent that I given for it.